Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to a brand new app, Magic Home. Magic Home makes home automation simple and easy, powered by the ESP32 microcontroller. And the best part? It's completely free on both the App Store and Google Play. You'll find the download links in the description below. With this app, you can connect your ESP32 device and control it directly over your local network. On the dashboard, you'll see the connection status, the relay states, whether they're active or inactive, and individual buttons to control each relay. In this video, I'll walk you through the setup process step by step. Alright, let's get started with the hardware setup. For this demo, I've kept it simple. I connected 3 LEDs to GPIO pins 18, 19, and 21 of the ESP32. Now let's move on to the software setup. I've uploaded the source code on my GitHub, link in the description. Complete documentation is available there too, so you can follow along. I've already cloned the project, so let's open it. Make sure you have the PlatformIO IDE extension installed in Visual Studio Code. If you don't have it yet, check out my earlier video on how to set it up, link in the description. Alright, first, update your Wi-Fi credentials. Then configure the device name. I set mine as ESP32 controller. This will be the name we'll use later in the app. Next, configure the relays. Update the number of relays and add their details. Here, I'm adding a new relay on pin 21 with the name Office Light, initial state set to false, and a short description. That's it. Leave the rest of the code unchanged. Now let's compile the project. Great, it compiled successfully. Next, connect your ESP32 board to your computer and upload the code. And success! The code has been uploaded. Now let's open the Magic Home app. Go to Settings and enter either the IP address or the host name of your device. Since I named mine ESP32 controller, I'll use the host name ESP32-controller.local. Tap on Discover Device, and there it is. Now tap Connect. And just like that, we're connected successfully. If you face any issues, make sure your phone and device are on the same Wi-Fi network and that the host name is typed correctly. Inside the app, the Controller tab gives you complete information about your device and relay status. And in the dashboard, you'll find the connection status, relay states, and relay control buttons. Now let me turn on the living room light. And there it is. The LED is on. And that's all about the Magic Home application. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye.